gonna shoot this joint again. Hit it again. One more. Stomp it, stomp it. Alright, so we back at the dealership at a different one this time. But I ain't got no insurance on me. I rode with that guy right there. That's Kylan in a Mustang. Ooh, that one got the Recaro seats. Okay. But yeah, we finna test drive this. This might be the future car. I don't know yet. But we finna, they practicing social distancing, so they just gonna pretty much give us the key and let us go about our way in it. But I like this one. It got the accent black package on it, and I like the color, black interior. He said they doing some deals right now because of this coronavirus stuff. So he said I can probably get this for about $560 a month, and it has the 401A package that I'm looking for, that I've been wanting for a while. Got the dash, the digital dash, the radio. It's got everything I want. Action, what you think, Big Kylan?
I don't know. Just stretch the whole out though.
I already know it. Stretch your legs.
Going that way.
Yes, sir.
I can't come back through here. They gonna hear me.
I know. Man, I ain't gonna lie. I probably come back and, you know what I'm saying, with this joint.
Do what you do.
If I can get it 560 notes, then I'll be good with this. Cause that's what I was looking to pay anyway. Remember, I was expecting about 600. So if I can get this, woo, look at that.
No, he from Mississippi.
But if I can get this for about $560 a month, then I'll be good with it. Like cutting up in a little truck, ain't it? About $560 a month, I'll take it. But
come with them keys,
bro. We finna get in this joint, take it on the road. We're gonna see. Let me see.
I just did.
Nigga, lock the door first.
I just did.
And press the button. Told you. Come home.
This right. I like manual cars.
I bet you want to
I get this motherfucker back.
Alright, so we in the car. Give it a start. Man, this one, I like that digital dash, boy. I can't drive because I didn't have no insurance.
Man, bro, I don't know what you talking about, fool, but we finna cut some music on in here.
Man, look, don't cut no music on this thing.
You a lie. I pay you.
No, I gotta pay them. It's coming out of my money already.
I give you back.
You need to go. It say fuel low. 35 miles.
Gas.
Get it going. God, that display so beautiful. Gotta get this right.
I'm going the wrong way.
Take my hood off. Them folks gonna, you know how these folks is, stereotype. Woo, this mug got some power to it too.
They outside looking too.
Don't hit it yet. Hold on, wait till we.
I don't like this shit. Cause when the cops start bobbing and leave.
It only bobbed. You hit the paddle shifter, didn't it? Hold on.
Good bullshit.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie. Nah, don't stomp it right here. They gonna hear that joint.
Nah, until we get on the E-way.
Or you could go with somewhere and stomp that joint. It's like when you in here, the car can sit down. Like you sitting down in the car, like my arm stretched up. You know what I'm saying? So if you want to ride with your arm out the window. Oh yeah, this thing. Look at your arm. I know that's a what's that? Bonneville. Try it again. Hit it again. One more. Stomp it. Yeah, you like that, don't you? Look at his face. That's what you like that. Hold on, get back in there like.
They said turn right at the Dodge and Chick.
Man, we'll find our way back. Don't worry about it. You talking about.
They gonna worry about they already hot.
Yeah.
It's warm up quick.
They probably got the engine block heat on it, like you can order when you order your Dodge. Yeah, I'm saying so good. I ain't gonna lie to you.
I ain't gonna lie, it just turn right here.
Man, look at these folks. I was trying to run it, man.
Say, yo, did this shit. You know I'm supposed to
I ain't
let
gonna
you
lie. They gonna do Brandon.
Hell no.
Do line
They
lock.
gonna snitch it like. Hell no.
Let me see. What is it? Mode.
I'm not gonna touch the shit, bro.
Sport Plus. All right, it's in Sport Plus.
Touch the shit.
I got a Piggly Wiggly down here. I ain't seen no.
Never get nothing. Please don't pull out her. Please don't pull out her. I really want you supposed to be driving this shit.
Let me try that. Fuck it. Pull up. I bet you wanna let me try it.
Hell no, I'm not gonna let you drive this hoe. We finna scratch this hoe out.
Stretch it out on the interstate.
Exactly.
Man, hold on, wait. Sport Plus, track mode. Okay. I just put it in track mode.
Touch the shit.
Downshift a couple times.
Nah, it's already in second. It's far enough.
Downshift the first one you get over here. That hoe. Hold on, wait. We got. Hold on. Give it a second. Give it a second.
They gonna sit by itself. Come in there too long. They always need trouble coming. Got a trip for lane.
It's another lane over there.
What that?
Damn, G, that hoe in fifth gear already.
Eyes on that.
Hey,
Slow down a little bit. Stay true.
get in front of them folks and then. Hey, that motherfucker moving. I ain't gonna lie. That thing moving. Why you walking like that?
Leave it alone, gonna find.
Leave me alone. Let me see.
These too small. I want a big truck. Like they can sit in the back or something if I got a big truck.
Somebody with a crew cab, like my truck. My truck got back seats.
It's a nice blue.
Yeah, it is. Oh, this junk got the wide body kit on.
What's the difference? I don't understand.
It's wider.
Wide body. This right here.
Oh, okay.
See it different now?
Okay, yeah.
A little bitty
Yeah.
compared to this.
Yeah.
What's this? A scat duty?
Yeah, RT.
It is this right here.
Yeah, this is scat pack.
I
Yep.
like this color.
And I forgot the fake hood.
Ain't no fake hood. He's got
You know
it's
what I
a
mean.
hood.
Yeah.
What is it?
He said he got a fake hood. I got a fake hood. Got a hood on it.
I like this.
They go ahead.
And that's what
I'm good. How you doing?
I'm really feeling this scat though. I like the rims on it. This scat, yeah, this scat. I like the rims on it. And the tires. Oh my gosh. Let's see, 305s from the factory? Oh, come on. 305s from the factory. Ooh,
Okay.
305s.
18 miles per gallon.
Say what?
Bitch, you only getting 18 miles per gallon.
Man, I know this thing drive like a beauty.
I like the color of this. This is really
Dirty.
pretty.
That's on 14.
Hell, mama got that regular shit.
Man, I like that. Wood.
Mom gonna be
Yeah,
hating
that mean
me.
you gotta get this color.
Oh, me?
Yep.
I ain't getting that color. Alright, so now we then came over to Chevy looking for a Mustang that they had online. And I've been up there for a couple of days and that junk gone already. And I'm ready to go. I don't see nothing else I want. I came over here for that Mustang. I don't care what nothing else they got. She still car shopping though, looking at the challenges still. But I don't know. So I wanted that Mustang. Made me
They
mad.
got across the 200 for sale too.
I see it, that little blue one right there.
It look just like yours.
Well, here goes
These
some more
are
right here. These they cars too.
What? Smoke
Right.
what?
All these on
Truck.
Oh yeah, all these Chevys is. It's nice. I you open the door, and lay down. Let me Go back up.
I like that interior too. Man, 2 TV. Third row.